Hello friends, peace be upon you all. If you don't know how to write a good prompt in English, so you can't create a good image, or you can't make a good video with a prompt, and you can't get good results from that prompt. Today, I will tell you a very easy way with which you can get your simple prompt in a perfect way. And it's completely free. Search for Prompt Perfect extension in Google search, and open the first link, which is from the Chrome Web Store. And here click on Add this extension to Chrome. Click on Add extension. After the extension is added, you will need to log in with one of your email accounts. As I am logging in with one of my Gmail accounts, click on Continue and Log in. A page will open that says, Welcome to Prompt Perfect. Link is https://promptperfect.xyz. Scroll down, and you will come to the bottom, then look at the C for yourself. Here you have all these options, including ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity, Google AI Studio, Grok, and Notebook LM. DeepSeek, Sora are included. Suppose here I click on ChatGPT, and I log into ChatGPT. And here I write a simple prompt. Create a realistic image of horse running in desert. Now look down here, and click on the perfect button. So this will turn a simple prompt into a perfect prompt. Now send this prompt to ChatGPT. You can see that it perfected the prompt. And now through this prompt, it will create an image here. And as you can see, it has created the image of a horse. Zoom in on this image, and look carefully. We turned a simple prompt into the first perfect prompt. That is, after perfecting the simple prompt we wrote, ChatGPT created this image of a horse. This looks great, and a real image. So you can add this extension to Chrome here. Then write a simple prompt, and use any image generator. You want to use Grok, or use Gemini, or use Perplexity. You can perfect your simple prompt in any image creator. And then you can generate images. In the same way, you can perfect the prompts for creating videos. This was a tip regarding extension. I hope you like the video, and if you do, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.